Kapodwa ntiere weche mag thieth ni kar thieth ma Kenyatta otimo bero mokwongo ne nyathi mane winy suche bero ma bende omiyo nyathino ma jahigni 8 koro nyalo dago ngima makare. Nyathino oyudo hinyruok e monj manotim ne higa mar 2023. Kaka Elizabeth Ajode lero, bero no en ma ipuoyo ni otim makare kendo jiwo jopiny kik many bero makamago e pinje maoko.
Ian Baraka ne ochwad gi magina e ume gino mane okelo lokruok e suche kendo mae kata chia mare. Bang' thuolo malach, lakteche ma Kenyatta National Hospital koro no nyalo duoko more lenda wang' Ian bang' bero mosebed ka itimo ne dhi kare.
Have you eaten today? Did you eat food? Ulikula chakula?
Dr. Simon Gadhua ma osebet katelo ne bero machal kamano lero kaka pek osebedo. Kakoro sani nyathi Ian ibiro bed kirango chal mare kuom kinde ka kinde.
It is very, very difficult to work on children who have lost some of their parts because we don't have parts good enough to borrow. We usually call borrowing, to graft it. Now the problem with the children is you cannot just repair them because they are growing and you must give provision for the growth. So we came up with a design that will also help the growth of the midface so that you do not repair and then the midface is left behind and then you have a deformity which you cannot handle later.
Lakteche mamoko bende lero kaka wuotho sebet mapek ni mar Ian ne pod en nyathi madongo machoke ne pok otegno.
When Ian came to us, he basically did not have a face. At some point, you'll have a chance to have a look at exactly his presentation after the injury. And you'll realize there has been quite a transformation that has taken place up to this point. We are still rehabilitating him as he is currently. But where we are, as Professor said, we are extremely happy with the outcome.
And we needed this, could hold the teeth. And essentially, they're in two parts. Though I've connected them here, there's a right and a left side. Now, these are called patient-specific implants. They're made customized to fit the patient. But more than that is really what makes it a first case in the world. That for us to be able to get this, to be able to get the right size, the right form, the right weight, and looking at his function, to be able to chew and have these implants in the mouth for the next 5 to 10 years, we needed to be able to simulate that.
Jatatije e hospital ma Kenyatta to puoyo jothieth duto ma oneno ni Ian oyudo thieth machal kamano.
This complex surgery represents not only a triumph of modern medicine, but also of teamwork, compassion, and Kenyan medical excellence. What makes this case historic is that it's the first of its kind in the world, and an extraordinary demonstration of our surgeons' skills, supported by multidisciplinary expertise. We also acknowledge the unwavering support from Ian's parents and family. Your resilience and trust in our institution were vital throughout this journey.
Min Ian bende oyudo thuolo mar duoko erokamano ne hospital ma Kenyatta kod ji duto ma oseriwre kode e wuodhno.
Haki mimi niko na raha. Nasikia tu kushukuru Kenyatta. Juu Kenyatta ni hospitali kubwa sana. Haki nimejionea maajabu na mimi singedhani mtoto wangu atarudi vyenye alikuwa hata kama hatarudi gosi yake, lakini afadhali saa hii. Kenyatta hoya. Kenyatta hoya.
Elizabeth Ajode, Ramogi TV.